Hi guys, today I will explain how to change mobile number in Citibank application. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is open the application, and once it will be open, take a look on the bottom. You can see few options from these. You have to click on the option More. After clicking on that, you have to select this option, Change Contact Details. Here, you have to select your details. Like I want to change my mobile number, so that's why I will click on the option Change Mobile Number. Here you have to fill this form. The first thing is your old number. It's already written so below. You have to write your new mobile phone number and again, re-enter your new number. And you have to select your debit card. Once you select your debit card, write the expiry date and enter the card PIN. And select OTP type SMS. And then click on the option Next. And here, you have to enter that OTP, which the bank will send, and after entering their OTP, click on the option Next. And then you will change your mobile phone number on Citibank.